Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Dolly from JD Live. Today I will make a full coral nude makeup tutorial for the summertime. Especially nowadays, this is kind of a trend in Korea, so I will create a dewy, glittery, shimmery makeup that has a pink undertone. So if you like this kind of makeup, please watch. First I will use a concealer under the eyes, on the scars and on my chin. Because of the applicator head and the smooth texture, it's really easy to apply on this concealer. Even this Lychee brand provides many colors, so you can find color even if your skin is lighter or darker than 21 or 23. Although it will harden after a few seconds, so it will become more long-lasting and more touch-proof. After you smooth it out, it will not cover pimples and scars 100%, so I prefer using it mostly under my eyes. Because I am creating a dewy looking makeup, I preferred a creamy highlighter this time. I used the lightest color, so number 1 from Etude House, Play 101 stick. Actually, I'm not fond of the contour shade part, since it has a really yellow base. Also, I feel like you cannot really spread this contour on your foundation evenly. It might be because of the greasy texture, also I cannot feel it's long lasting. But the highlighter part is okay, it's more shimmery and more pigmented. But it has the same texture as the contour part, so it's also more greasy and I cannot feel it's long lasting. I prefer applying it on with my fingers first and smooth it out with a cushion puff. Because my skin color is really light, it's hard to find the right shade of highlighter. So this time I will use an eyeshadow from Artdeco. This color is really light and at the same time it's really shimmery, so it looks nice as a highlighter on my skin. I will apply on the blush this time. For summery coral makeup, blush is maybe the most important step. This one doesn't have a brand because I made this product actually. I used MAC lipstick, Burt's Bees lip balm and a glow balm. It's pink, creamy and shiny, so it's perfect for this makeup. Usually I use lighter eyebrow pencils, but this time I wanted a more defined and a bit more darker eyebrow. For this I found a bit shimmery chocolate brown color in this Kate Tokyo palette. But actually this is just the first product to create my eyebrow today. The next product for my eyebrow is a Fork eyebrow tint. I actually bought this product a few days ago, but I expected too much. It should draw thin lines, but instead it's just all shady. But at least it stays in place and it seems long lasting. The next product is a liquid eyeshadow from the brand Peripera. The color name is Kitten Beige. It has plenty of shimmer and glitter in it, so I fell in love with this product the first time I used it. All the colors are really nice. It's easy to use and the texture is really smooth. You can apply it on with your fingers or a brush. I already have a watery shimmer on my eyelids, so this time I will use a glittery eyeliner under my eyes. This beamy liner will give a more cute look for your eyes, and this is actually the concept of this makeup. For a dewy makeup, matte eyeshadow is not a good decision. Instead, you should also choose a glittery, shimmery eyeshadow. I usually like Missha products, so I bought my eyeliner from them, but I am really not satisfied with this one. It should be waterproof and really slim, but instead it seems too thick and it's breaking easily. Its lasting power is really bad. And also the application is really hard, so altogether I wouldn't recommend this product. As I believe this mascara is not that popular in Korea, I just randomly purchased it from the Face Shop brand. I would say it's natural, but it's buildable. If you apply on 2 or 3 layers, you have really nice curly and long lashes. And I never really experience smudging around my eyes, so when I apply it on, I don't need to worry. For this coral makeup, I wanted to highlight my lips, so instead of the Korean gradient lips, I will create full lips now. Since Koreans don't really use lip pencil, it's a bit hard to find this kind of product in Korean cosmetic shops. Their quality is also not that good, so I don't recommend Korean brands. For the full lips, I will use a lipstick. This lipstick is from the brand Dearmay. I already have a review about this product. Because the rest of my makeup is really glittery and shimmery, I recommend a matte lipstick. And since this is the center of my makeup, I chose a coral pink color. Just a few weeks ago, Missha released this coating lipstick. Because it has a golden shimmer, I think it's a perfect choice for a dewy coral makeup. I prefer to use my fingers to apply on this lipstick onto the center of my lips. Your lips will look more gorgeous and lively. From now on, you only need to set your makeup. The first product I use is a powder. I like to use this product because it's good for sensitive skin also, although it cannot control the sebum production. My second setting product is a makeup fixer. If you want to create a dewy look, you shouldn't use powder, but a makeup fixer instead. Thank you for watching. If you have also tried this makeup, please write your comment below and give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!